Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you customization tricks on Vivo V50. So, the first thing is, when you open the first time your phone, you'll have the Themes app. Select it, go into it, and here you have so many wallpapers and themes on trending side or in category. On themes you have colors like yellow, that's my favorite, green, blue, purple, pink and gray. And the wallpapers, the color again black, green, blue, gray and colorful. And the content, travel, arts, cartoon, space and animal. We'll go into space, for example, and this one is it looks so good. So I'm gonna apply it on lock screen, because I had something else, I don't know what. But now on home screen I have this, and on lock screen I have this. So that was the first trick. For the next one, go into settings, and then home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. And now we have here an icons. So we can change the icons. For example, set the current theme only supports some features. So set now, and we can select other theme that supports icons. But I won't do it right now. Here we can change the color of yellow, please. Okay, this yellow is maybe better. As you can see, it's not that yellow, but when I go into magenta, now you can see it clearly. So we can go into wallpaper and into live wallpapers. So now, as you can see, it's animation, pretty much, as you can see. And static wallpapers, it's just normal wallpapers, and kinetic wallpapers. That's just one animation that won't be repeated. And here we have themes. So that's pretty much it. I'll go once again here, and we have always on display. When we enable this option, we can here change the style. I have this one and it's so good. I like it. It's so pretty. But just for this video, I'll change it to this one. Apply. And now, when I close my phone, you can see the clock. So that's cool. Okay, we'll go back for now. And dynamic effects. Here we can change pretty much everything. Like fingerprint icon. I already changed it to this, but we can change to the other. I'm gonna to stick with this. The fingerprint recognition animation. Oh, I didn't see it earlier. This one, it's so good. Okay, so I don't want fingerprint right now. Face recognition animation, charging animation, USB insert animation, screen on and off animation. Oh. I want this. Home screen transition animation, home screen entering animation after unlock, ambient light effects, enhanced dynamic effects, like what you want you'll find in here. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.